What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today, yes, it is the 25th of June, 2024. I do have my espresso. Cheers, everyone. He's starting to make a comeback in my videos because I'm working incredibly late these days. But anyway, there is a lot happening in the crypto markets, a lot of selling occurring, and a lot of buying, I should say, as well. I think today, last night, someone bought $900 million worth of Bitcoin. Just a casual $900 million worth of Bitcoin, which is ridiculous. It just makes you think money's not even real. Like, that's just a lot of money. Anyway, we're going to go through the news. And yes, I'm getting better. Thank you very much. I've pretty much recovered from this. Just a little thing in my nose at the moment. Still just getting through that. But thank you very much to all of you that sent through your recommendations for your little recipes. They've helped. Honestly, they really have, to be quite honest. So thank you very much. I really appreciate all of you. And yes, I've had a couple of days off because I've just been feeling a bit meh. We all have those days where you're just like meh. And yeah, we just get through it, right? But anyway, exercise does help. I pushed myself this morning to get into the gym and do some incredible exercises, but I recommend everyone do that because, again, it helps your mental and just get your shit together pretty much, all right? Anyway, go to the gym. We've got updates in relation to Ripple and XRP. That is a given on my channel. My favorite freaking crypto out there, literally. Crypto market correction. Altcoins poised for a major comeback. Definitely, I agree with that. Solana developer reveals what he claims will be the breakthrough for Solana. Big news here, which is nice. Julian Assange is actually free, which is incredible. That happened tonight or last night, which is awesome. Bitcoin analysts forecast Bitcoin price to drop to 50K before a parabolic run, which is wild. And there's some interesting videos coming out on X as well, which we're going to watch about Bitcoin. Analysts again predicting that the Mt. Gox reimbursement or the money going back to everyone that lost money in that, again, is saying that it's not going to be that big a deal, which I beg to differ about that, because if it's anything like Grayscale selling off all of their Bitcoin in GBTC, yeah, we're gonna have a double impact here. But stay bullish. Rob Kiyosaki again, interesting, saying buy and hold forever strategy, and again, I'm incredibly bullish on that. Tom Lee, again, he's been incredibly bullish on CNBC. We're going to get to that article in a moment, but, there's a lot to get through because, again, there's just been so much happening over the last couple of days. Anyway, I'm going to go over my bots as well, which are still trading. They're actually in profit today, which is nice, given there's been so much market volatility. That's because I'm trading the spot market. Anyway, that is all on the Patreon, the Wall Street Bull University. You can go join up to that. Anyway, let's get into it, guys, because I want to get through this. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because you can see right here on my screen, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this insane journey, because it's been ridiculous. It's been unbelievable. I freaking love it. All right. Also, again, if you guys could really give me a hand and smash that thumbs up button down there, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. It's down there. Thank you very much. It doesn't cost you anything. Legends. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own freaking research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially wrecked, because you can in the blink of an eye, right? So be careful. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gents, straight to my community tab. This is freaking insane, but I mean, look, this is the truth, right? When in doubt, zoom out. I know a lot of you, and if you haven't, we're hearing it now. You need to zoom out and look at the long-term price appreciation of Bitcoin. It's just been remarkable. It has slowly been on an increase since its inception, or the starting time, or the first Genesis block, I should say, which was the beginning and dawn of Bitcoin, right? Make sure you do that, because, when you look at this, I mean, this is literally the only part we're looking at the moment, which is wild when you think about that. I mean, it's just been continuously increasing in value, which is really, really nice. Anyway, just be careful and just don't panic too much, all right? Now, again, this was wild. This happened overnight. Someone literally bought $935,955,847 worth of Bitcoin. $935 million. I should correct that post, by the way, but that is wild. Top altcoins in my portfolio. This gets shared every single day in my Wall Street Bull University, the Patreon, which is down below. Again, I share up all my altcoins in this. Not what I'm holding, because you never disclose that, because that is dangerous. But obviously the coins. Now, again, I had Lunk up in this morning. AGIX, we had Luna, Electronium, and Omi. Omi's a cool project. I haven't looked at the VV app in a long time. That is like an NFT site where you use Omi. So I haven't looked on that in a while, but it was interesting anyway. There's so many big partnerships with the VV app, so go check that out. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. We do have Bitcoin at $60,749. There is 2.26 trillion in the market cap at the moment. It is up 84%. Since last night. That's crazy. 96.22 billion. A lot of people are trading at the moment. We have 53 Bitcoin dominance and 44 on the fear and greed index. So we are basically getting close towards that fear. I don't know why. Why are people fearful? It's just an incredible asset class. Just listen to the analysts. I'm just having my coffee. But do you really think Michael Saylor would be raising, you know, $500 million to buy more Bitcoin if that were the case? No. Come on. Anyway. Let's have a look here. Again, Bitcoin 60K, Ethereum's at $3,358. We have Solana at $134. That is up 7%. XRP's at 47 cents. That is incredibly bullish. Toncoin, $7.58. Let me know in the chat if you like Toncoin. Doge is at 12 cents. Cardano's at 38. AVAX at $25. Link's at $13. I'm going to go through some other favorites. ICP, $8. We have Aptos at $6.91. Hedera is sitting at 7 cents. XLM is at 9 cents as well. Insanely cheap. Immutable X at $1.54. Let's keep scrolling down to my other favorites. Sui's at 88 cents. That is up 5.8%. VeChain doing absolutely jack all for a very long time, but I do like the project. Ondo's at $1.19. Floki's up 12% today. There are some incredible gains overnight. This is wild. I'm just going to have some water. I mean, this is what happens. You can literally make 20% overnight when the market correction happens like this. But you need to have the patience and resilience to withstand market corrections like this. I know a lot of people, it's hard for a lot of people, right? Say's at 36 cents. ALGO's at 13 cents as well. Quant is at $74. It has not hit my buy target of $60 US yet. If it does, I told you I'm backing up the truck and buying that. Axi's at $6.15. Let's scroll down here. WorldCoin, $2.91. Now, again, we're getting out of the top 100. Mana's at 33 cents. Where's my other favorite coins? Further down the list, as you can see, XDC's at 3 cents. Trade Finance, very, very nice to that project. And, of course, Casper. Further down here, where is it? Where is Casper? Here we go. I think we're coming up to it now. Or has it just dropped out? Ooh, 195 on the list. It's at 2 cents right now. I'm very, very bullish on Casper. And of course, all of the artificial intelligence projects have been also doing incredibly well, which is nice. I mean, there's a whole narrative around that anyway. But anyway, let's move on. And yes, let's go to crypto bubbles. Before I do have the Wall Street Bull University. I know I'm selling the shit out of this. I don't really care because, again, this community is freaking awesome. I'm posting up a lot in here. I really am. Go join up. Again, thank you to all of those who have subscribed, both the free version and, of course, the paid version. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are getting a lot of value out of it. Again, I put up a lot of information in here, like my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, the news before I go live on the channel. Full setup guides on 3 commas in here on how to use these bots, how my current setups are. You can even copy all of the bots that I've got running at the moment, which is all of the spot trading bots, because the market's so volatile. I do not recommend trading with leverage at the moment. It's just really crazy. And those of you who are watching influencers on YouTube trading with leverage, be careful because you will get wrecked. This is what happens, all right? Believe me, I've done it multiple times. But the spot trading market, they're literally set and forget. Anyway, also, I've made some significant adjustments in the dividend stock portfolio as well. It's taken me a few days to do. And to reposition those assets I previously held. And anyway, guys, it's incredible. The cash flow from the dividend portfolio has significantly increased. I suggest you go check that out, because if you have not even considered dividend stock investing, or I should say income dividend stock investing, income, the primary word out of this, it's very important that you do, because everyone needs cash flow. And this is the whole reason why we watch YouTube. This is the whole reason why we invest. I suggest everyone go join up and have a look, all right? It's unbelievable. I've literally blown myself away from adjusting everything, and yeah, it's really, really nice to do that. Anyway, because that's the main point. We need cash flow to live, because it's too freaking hard at the moment. It's crazy. People are struggling around the world, not just in Australia, but around the freaking world. Go and have a look, all right? Join up. That is your mission. Thank you guys, absolutely rock. Now, anyway, let's go to 3 Commas. Now, again, 3 Commas is an official partner of the channel. I've been using them now for three years, which is awesome. I've got my spot trading bots going. I've got Immutable X, Solana, a couple of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Litecoin. We have ICP as well, Aptos, DYDX. Now, again, I do have more, which I'm going to set up. They were running. They have stopped because the capital's not high enough. So with the spot trading markets, unfortunately, because you're not trading with leverage, you need significant capital. All right, and the market has been so extremely volatile that leverage trading has sort of slowed down a lot. All right, because again, I'm focusing on the spot trading. So anyway, you guys can do whatever you like with it, with every coins, however many bots you set up. You can set up a multi-bot, which I've got up here as well. That's 33 pairs on a long position, no leverage. And of course, I've got my the single pairs as well, trading with USDT. But I mean, all of these are on an RSI indicator. On a 3-minute time frame, taking 1.5% profits. It's not hard to set up. The platform is, you know, complicated for beginners, but I've put up multiple videos on my channel about this on how to use it, and you can go watch those or join the Wall Street Bull University. You can literally copy the links that I've got. Anyway, having a look at OKX. Now, again, yes, this is the actual portfolio. It's up $35 today, which again is awesome. Coming down to the trade, I've got 20 open orders in the book at the moment, and these are just trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you literally set and forget. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to consistently check it. This is the reason why I love the spot trading market, because you don't get liquidated. I mean, these bots, my bots have been, in particular, have been set up for a 60% market correction. And has that happened? No. 10%? Yes. Multiple times. Anyway, this is the beauty about 3 Commas trading bots. So go join up to Wall Street Bull University. It's all in there. I'm not going to even go through crypto bubbles. Just have a quick look. The biggest gainer today, of course, is AGIX, and of course, Fetch AI, because of the artificial intelligence. This is what happens, all right? Anyway, let's get to the news because I want to get through this video. Why is XRP down today? Now, on June 13th, the California government, let me just bring this up, sorry, guys. So many freaking pop-ups. I hate these websites. That drives me crazy. June 13th, a Californian court sided with Ripple Labs in its ongoing dispute with the SEC. The judge ruled that the company had not violated securities laws, thus dismissing the main allegations of the SEC, which is nice. Another loss for them. The back and forth legal battle between the two, again, started in 2020. And I don't know about you, but I've been reading so many court briefs and documents and letters over the last 2 years. Again, I said this literally to John E. Deaton, legend, that we've all pretty much become lawyers because we're all learning the language of law. It's not easy, legalese. Anyway, now again, what's going on with XRP? And it's just taking its sweet time. And again, why isn't the latest win for Ripple Labs boosting XRP? Now, in previous positive updates for Ripple Labs around the lawsuit, XRP would receive a slight boost in performance thanks to its bullish investors. Yes, the XRP army. However, this time around, that it basically isn't the case. As the growing unrest and uncertainty in the broader crypto market, the bulls aren't latching onto any particular asset, even with the leading cryptocurrency by market cap, Bitcoin, and on the bearish trend trading down below the $63,000 level. And again, so again, everyone's just down at the moment. Everyone's a bit fearful. I don't know why, but anyway, that's up to you. I'm not going to tell anyone how to, invest. I'm not allowed to do that unless you join the Wall Street Bull University. Anyway, crypto market correction. Altcoins are poised for a major comeback. I definitely agree with that. Now, look at this. According to Vanderpop right here, and again, the sentiment surrounding altcoins is currently pessimistic, as reflected by the declining Bitcoin valuations and various altcoins reaching new lows. But Vanderpop's analysis suggests that the present situation with the altcoin market may mirror past trends. Are you bullish enough to stay in the market? That's pretty much it. Hinting that the potential for a similar resurgence right here, which would be nice. That's such a freaking itchy nose, driving me crazy. Bit of dust in the office, I reckon. So again, look at this. The chart from Vanderpop right here explains the altcoin sentiment is terrible currently as Bitcoin valuations of all altcoins are reaching new lows. The last time this happened, Solana went 500% up in value, FET went 650%, and Render went 300%. The same time, altcoins are likely to do the same. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. Now, again, this is an interesting one right here. A Solana developer, if my website actually wants to load, reveals what he claims will be the breakthrough for Solana. Bullish. So we've got Monstaz right here. I'm just going to say Mert. Anyway, CEO of Helios right here, development platform of the Solana ecosystem, announced an important update that will lead to radical changes in the blockchain industry. Bullish. In a recent tweet, Mert right here announced that the zero-knowledge ZK compression feature has been introduced to the Solana, and this feature will be implemented directly on the layer 1, eliminating the need for layer 2, which is interesting. That changes everything you thought you knew about scaling Solana and L1s or layer 1s. Mermit right here, Mamtaz tweeted, I do apologize. He said the new feature compresses data on chain to deliver 10,000x improvement of scalability, which is bullish as anything. And the introduction of ZK compression is expected to greatly increase Solana's network scalability. In this way, developers will be able to build and scale any application directly on Solana without having to leave the chain. That is nice. Imagine what Visa is going to be doing with Solana. Wild. Yes, I'm not going to get too political on this, but Julian Assange is free as of last night, which is incredible. And the WikiLeaks founder is expected to be plead guilty on 1 US charge and be sentenced to time served in the UK prison. There you go. Now, Bitcoin, again, poised for a massive rally. I agree. I'm not going to get too much into that. Yes, analysts predicting limited impact from Mt. Gox Bitcoin distribution amid, again, the market slide. And Bitcoin fell below key support levels. And Mt. Gox announced, but analysis believes that the fear is being blown out of proportion. Yes, it is, in my opinion. Rob Kiyosaki basically saying he's buying more Bitcoin and to not think about your day jobs. And pretty much most people should sell. I'm waiting to buy more. He also claims his investment strategy mirrors that of Warren Buffett's buy and hold forever. Buy gold and silver is basically his main thing, and real estate is his main portfolio. But fortunately, it doesn't work that well in Australia, to be honest. And yes, Tom Lee reveals rationale behind Bitcoin price predictions. There is a lot going on here. Bitcoin is unlike any other asset class because there is cooperative value. You know, those people who contribute to the network benefit from it, and that's different from any other asset class. I agree. Lee recalled his firm. He wrote Bitcoin in 2017, and Bitcoin was around $1,000 at the time. Back then, FudStrat published a white paper which explained there is two main variables that determine the price of Bitcoin. And of course, at the time, we made a simple projection. We said that in 5 years, by 2022, and if the number of wallets went up by 70% and the activity per wallet went up by 40%, Bitcoin would have $25,000 price, which is really nice as well. So he's been very bullish on predicting huge numbers for Bitcoin being 100,000 to 150,000. That is nice. Quick look at cryptometer.io. If my phone wants to load, the internet is so bad here at the moment, guys. I don't even know why. Australian internet is terrible. It really is. We're so behind the times. Crazy pop-ups. It's annoying. Now, we've got money going into Link, BNB, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Pepe, whatever. Don't like meme coins that much these days. Phantom, Lunk, BCH. We have Render. We have ICP, Toncoin, Shiba Inu, Turbo, Bonk. A lot of meme coins out there at the moment. Anyway, quick look at X, and we're going to end up on this. Thank you to those 6,479 people. You guys absolutely rock. Yes, that is me and Johnny Denton. Legend. Now, again, Bitcoin Archive, I love this, but Bitcoin is scraping a trend line that started in 2016. A bull market has never ended without breaking the third line at least. That's a $311,000 right now, $560,000 in June 2025. That is going to be basically the peak. The banana zone, go look it up from Raoul Power for 2025. That is going to be the peak. Or I should say the Global Liquidity Index. That's what I put up a while ago. Go and have a look at that. Now again, let's have a look at this. Think this year we hit $1 million for Bitcoin. If not this year, the next year, but it's coming very soon. This is a very bullish interview. I'm not sure who these guys are, but let's have a quick listen.
Over the next few years, right? Yeah, well, I think this year we're going to hit 1 million.
You think we hit 1 million this year?
If not this year, next year, but it's coming very soon.
So I saw you say that. I didn't know if you were just, it was like a meme for you. Well, I'll win my bet with Mike Green then.
You will.
So I bet I'm 100K this year.
You're gonna win.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me your thesis for $1 million this year, next year, because I did an interview yesterday, 2 days ago with Checkmate, the Glassnode guy. Me and Danny, we all did a bet at the end, a 100K Sats bet, and mine was by the end of 25. I went for a top of 380. Danny went 250. I think Checkmate went 200. So we're all. I mean, I'm a third of yours there. All right, give me a thesis.
The thesis is so many things. I mean, the whole setup we have right now is perfect for a run-up. You have demand far outstripping supply, and supply about to be cut. You know, halving is in a month and change.
Yeah.
The ETFs alone are pulling in about 22,000.
Isn't the net inflow about 3,500 a day?
Yeah. So, given that exchanges have about 2.2 million, maybe less. Like last note says 2.2. I think it's less.
Yeah.
And the demand is like 3,000-4,000 a day just from ETFs alone. That doesn't leave us a lot of time to.
Basically, age-old saying, supply and demand. It's as simple as that. It's just going to definitely go up in value. No doubt about that. That is hilarious. Yes, that's us buying another dip. Sorry, fellas. Yes, fears again for a massive Bitcoin dump from Mt. Gox creditors are overblown, says an analyst right here. Yes, people are buying up millions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. 235 million, this one investor. Now, scrolling down, let's have a look here. WikiLeaks, yes, we've gone through that. Anthony Pomp right here again. I'm not going to go through that. But Raoul Pal, this is an interesting one, all right? 2 things on the day of crypto drama for no reason. Stick to the plan. The last 2 points are key here. No leverage. If you are like insanely bullish like me, sometimes you do trade a little bit of leverage, but if you don't, stick to the spot market. Now, top 3 to 5 assets as main bag, agreed. Self-custody with good wallet. Hygiene, that is important. Only trade small degen bag. Hodl over a long time horizon. Zoom out, remove the noise. Yes, expect 35% pullbacks frequently. BTFD if you can. And don't F this up, pretty much is what he's saying right there. That is wild. And again, David Schwartz, if the cost of payments go down to 0, the world is going to change. That is definitely going to be happening, ladies and gents, because again, XRP is so freaking cheap to send money. I mean, again, I remember there being someone who sent $70 million for like pennies. That would not happen in traditional finance. Anyway, guys, go join the Wall Street Bull University. It's linked below. I'm out of here. And make sure you stay bullish. Don't panic. Big things are coming. Don't go investing stupid amounts of money into something that's going to be dropping in value and you're going to be stressing. That's just, you know, bad investing. And join the Wall Street Bull University again because I'm posting up a lot of stuff in there, which is really useful, all right? Take care of yourselves. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. If it's morning, have one of these, all right, for me. Peace out, guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye.